3 days.
Since your date?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened, but she just randomly stopped talking to me.
Sounds to me like you got ghosted then.
Ghosted?
Yeah, it's ghosted. It's where you guys are talking and the dates are good, the vibes are good, and all of a sudden nothing, just radio silence.
That had to have been what she did. I've never been ghosted before.
Tell me about the date. How did that go?
I mean, I thought the date went really well. We played games together. We ate some food. It was a good time.
And you guys were talking for how long beforehand?
About 2 weeks beforehand, and I felt like we had a really strong connection with each other.
Have you tried to reach out since you got ghosted, or?
I mean, I could check online.
I don't think I would do that. That's kind of like cyber stalky. Right now, what I could do for you is I could call my buddy Steve down at the Obit and see if we can rule out death, if you would want.
If you could do that for me, George,
Sure.
I would be very appreciative of you.
Yeah. Steve, hey, it's George. Yeah, I need you to check a name for me. Deborah Hillard. Drunk driving. Okay. Okay, thanks, buddy.